Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Rocket Money and Copilot Money, two personal finance apps. So, Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, focuses on helping users track subscriptions, manage bills, and find savings, providing tools to monitor spending and cancel unwanted services. While Copilot Money is a personal finance app designed to give users detailed insights into their finance, offering customizable budget tracking and real-time updates on spending and investments. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Rocket Money and Copilot Money, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So now let's talk about budgeting tools. When it comes to Rocket Money, they have automated budgeting with basic customization. When it comes to Copilot, they have advanced budgeting with custom categories in detailed controls. When it comes to subscription management, Rocket Money have automatic tracking and cancellation of subscription, while Copilot, they have manual tracking, they have no automatic cancellation feature. For bill negotiation, so Rocket Money, yes, they have people can negotiate bills for potential savings, while Copilot users cannot can't negotiate their bills for potential savings. So they don't have that features. When it comes to saving goals, so Rocket Money, they have savings recommendation based on spending, while Copilot, they have customizable saving goals and progress tracking. And for the investment tracking, Rocket Money, they have no investment tracking capabilities, while Copilot, they have, and with integration to various investment platforms. For debt payoff tracking, so Rocket Money, they have basic debt tracking options, while Copilot, they have no specific debt payoff tools, but they can track, people can track manually. When it comes to financial insights, so Rocket Money offers personalized spending insights, while Copilot, they have in-depth insights with category-based reporting. And for the user interface, Rocket Money, they have user-friendly interface, focuses on simplicity, while Copilot, they have a clean modern UI with more advanced customization. So that's it for the simple feature comparison. So now let's go directly to pricing. And for free version, so Rocket Money, yes, the app, they have a free version. So the app is free with limited features. The Copilot, they have no free version for the app available. You need to pay. And for the premium version, so Rocket Money, they have a premium subscription starting from $6 to $12 per month. And it is a user decided price. And for the Copilot, they have a premium version starting from $13 per month or $7.92 per month, which is $95 per year if billed yearly. So they have monthly billed or yearly billed. And for free trial, yes, Rocket Money, they offers it only 7 days. So 7 days free trial for premium version. While Copilot, yes, also they offers 30 days free trial for premium version. And for bill negotiation fees, so Rocket Money, they have it and people can negotiate 30% from the savings. And for Copilot, they don't have bill negotiation features. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. And for the speed of account syncing, Rocket Money, they have it moderate, occasional sync issues. While Copilot, they are very fast and they are reliable. They have reliable syncing features across accounts. And for budgeting accuracy, so Rocket Money, they have basic categorization, sometimes mislabels, while Copilot, they have highly accurate and customizable budgeting accuracy. And when it comes to subscription tracking, so Rocket Money, they are strong. They have automatic detection of subscription, while Copilot, manual, and it requires user input. Lastly, for mobile app performance, so Rocket Money is very smooth. Their app is very smooth, but some users report occasional bugs. And lastly, for Copilot, their app is very smooth and they are consistently high performance. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. For support channels, so Rocket Money, they have email and in-app support, while Copilot, same thing. And for response time, so Rocket Money, their response time is moderate, usually within 24 to 48 hours, while Copilot is very quick, often responds within 24 hours. And for help centers and fax, Rocket Money, yes, they have extensive knowledge base available, while Copilot, also yes, they have detailed help articles. Lastly, for live chat support, both platforms have no live chat support. So that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with Rocket Money pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Rocket Money automatically tracks and help manage subscription, making it easier to cancel unused ones without user intervention. And they have bill negotiation feature that can save you money on services such as cable or phone bills. They have flexible pricing, allows users to choose how much they want to pay for the premium version. And lastly, they have user-friendly design and basic insights, perfect for people who prefer simplicity. And for the cons, Rocket Money have limited advanced features like investment tracking or in-depth reporting, making it less ideal for comprehensive financial management. They have budgeting tools that are relatively simple with fewer customization options compared to competitors. Their sync issues may occur occasionally with some bank accounts, impacting the real-time tracking. And lastly, for the premium features such as bill negotiation, it can feel limited, especially if you're not frequently negotiating bills. So that's it for the Rocket Money pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Copilot pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Copilot have excellent budgeting tools with advanced customization options for those who want granular control over their finances. They have comprehensive investment tracking that integrates with multiple platforms, allowing for holistic financial oversight. They have highly customizable categories for spending, saving, and budget planning, giving users a deeper understanding of their finances. And lastly, they are clean. They have clean, modern interface with intuitive design, perfect for users who prioritize aesthetics and user experience. So when it comes to cons, Copilot have no free version. So all users need to subscribe to access its features, which can be a barrier for budget-conscious users. And they don't offer bill negotiation or automatic subscription cancellation, which could limit its value for those looking to save on expenses. The more manual input required per tracking, making it slightly more time consuming for those looking for automation. And lastly, some features like depth tracking need to be manually managed, which can be inconvenient for users with multiple financial obligation. So that's it for the Copilot pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Rocket Money. Rocket Money is referable for someone who wants to automate subscription management and easily cancel unused service, someone who is looking for simple budgeting tools with minimal input required, someone who wants to save on bills through a built-in negotiation features, and lastly, someone who prefers a free version with optional premium upgrades for added features. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Rocket Money is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Copilot, Copilot is referable for someone who seeks more advanced features, budgeting features with customizable categories and in-depth controls, someone who wants to integrate and track investment alongside personal finances, someone who prefers a sleek, modern design with intuitive navigation for better financial insight, and lastly, someone who is willing to pay for a premium financial tool and does not mind the lack of a free version. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Copilot is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both Rocket Money and Copilot offers distinct benefits depending on your financial management needs. Rocket Money is ideal for those seeking simplicity and automation in managing subscription and saving on bills with a user-friendly experience at a flexible price. On the other hand, Copilot is the go-to option for users who prefer more advanced budgeting, investment tracking, and modern interface, even if it comes at a higher cost. Depending on your financial goals, either platform could be a valuable addition to your financial toolkit. So download the app that fits your needs and start taking control of your financial future today. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.